If you want to shift the culture and not just monitor compliance, come to the front of the classroom. So let's talk about it. Maybe you feel like you're in the stuck zone. That's the zone where you are leading, but you feel like you're in survival mode. You're constantly reacting. You're always one step behind, and you can't wait until it's Friday. That's what I call reactive leadership. And it's costing you your peace, your power, and your purpose. Who has felt like they've been in the stuck zone lately? If that's you, drop a 100 in the comments below. Here's the truth. Reactive leaders put out fires all day. They make quick decisions from pressure, not from purpose. But responsive leaders, they pause, they process, they lead with clarity, not chaos. So the question is, what kind of leader do you want to be? Because surviving isn't the same as leading. And if your leadership right now is rooted in reactivity instead of responsiveness and responsibility, it's time to reclaim your leadership identity.